we dear Ghana ye de papa a year sister be and now I'll so no to so you are your friend Afua Asantewaa aduonu ye ni krudia e da no so ama sister ni mu aye du ai na ye de dwumadie bi eye Guinness world record bi dia beto dwa se wa obetumi ato ndwom 120 hours ne ye wa abasobodie bi e de ma eye Afua Asantewaa tu no ho gina ho se obeto sa enwom ya Ghana ha nyina dia to se friend sing aton December de Ghana eye de Afua Asantewaa de ne die ekwowie ya sister bi nso e wo Tamale aye friend no Abdul Razak na je say din no ebu odo ye pepeni e ho no no so e host ne die no ono so se oye Cookathon na je say Ghana aye de na sa adwumadie mi na mama wo se Ghana fo ye do ye ho pa eye Afua Asantewaa sabre amika se de e wo Tamale de den de one ne kunu Mr. Dionuma almost support eye ye nua be ye Cookathon se ne ono so ebenya ahoden agina na so se ne Afua Asantewaa no eto na ono so nkrofo beta na chi a ono so nya ahoden agina ne na so eye ne sabre ono so e wokumase e de ne supporter owo no e ko support eye ye nua be ye Cookathon e wo Tamale yanko Tamale yanko hwe ni ji a e wo mra.
What she's going through. She has no idea what's happening here. That's how I felt until I came out. But I love the reception so far. It's not just for me, it's a love for her or both of us. So I really appreciate it.
Seeing her in there, how do you feel? How can you relate to that?
She's going through a lot. Psychologically, mentally, physically, you have no idea. All this she's seeing is mind-blowing. She doesn't understand what's happening, but all she knows is that she needs to be focused. So I can understand her. I'm the only person who understands what she's going through. I remember I told her we are doing 10 days and she's like, hey, man, I experienced the same thing, but it's grace and I know she will do this.
I mean, what day is it? On the 4th day yourself, when you were in there, there's everybody that support. When you feeling, what was the thought that was running in your head?
You know, I remember I was saying, one day go home, one day go home. Because I was like, why would people come and support me for that long? That's why I'm saying that as she's in there, her mind is like, so what is so unique about her that is making everybody stick around till 4th day? That will urge her to do more. So it's a very unique feeling. You should try.
Now,
will you try?
Did you have high movements and low movements whilst you were in there separated from the rest of the world?
Yes, I did have high and low moments. My very low moment was when I lost my voice and I didn't know when it was going to come back. And my very high moment was when I realized that we had broken the record and we are entering a phase where we are setting a new record.
Now, let's look at being in the cage alone, looking at the crowd. At what point did you ever think of, can I do it? And when you thought of that, what was the reaction and how did you come back?
I think the crowd actually motivated me. There was no point I wanted to give up. At some point I felt the unity and it made me want to do more. So even when I was told that we have to end it, I didn't want to, because the crowd gave me some sort of motivation. In the box it can be very lonely. You don't know whether you are doing it right or wrong. But the response from the crowd gave me the courage that I'm doing something right.
Now, you had months ago, people have said your husband was so super. You are with him. How did you feel watching him stand you out and watch you go through, I would say, an ordeal?
Yes, so we've been doing events for a very
Cookathon is ongoing. Cookathon is ongoing. And it's, okay, Mando, you here? Let's see the person cooking. Okay. There she is. Okay, don't worry, I'm going in there for you to see her. There she is. I hope you can see her. Let's go. Okay. Mommy, please say hello to them. Okay, are you okay? Okay. You can do more, guys. You can do more. Afua Asantewaa also is here to support our sisters. You can see.
Ekwenchua, Accra.